We can't wait to show you our awesome Airbnb that we stayed in for just under a month. Here's a glimpse of the street that's right in front of our apartment. And then we'd walk down this little ramp to an elevator, which we could use to access our apartment. The apartment was located on the 3rd floor, and there were only 2 units per floor. We rarely saw or heard any of our neighbors. It was a real quiet building. Stay tuned to the end. I'll be sharing the location as well as the price of this apartment. Welcome to our beautiful little Airbnb in Hanoi, Vietnam. We stayed here for 1 month. So this is the living room area, as you see when we just walked in the door. And we have a nice little sofa. Right here, we've been using this for shoe storage. So the place actually came with a diffuser, which is pretty cool. So we went and got diffuser oil. It actually came with those little sandals down there too. These cabinets right here, actually tons more storage. So we're using that for some bathroom amenity overflow. And then we have our grocery bags and our gym towels and stuff down here. And you probably noticed we have a washer and a dryer, which actually attracted us to this Airbnb. They work great. Everything's perfect. They're like new. They're Electrolux brand. The dryer's on the right. And you can see that vent down on the bottom. The only caveat here is that the dryer does vent to the room. So whenever we're running the dryer, we do turn on the AC because it does introduce humidity into the apartment. So that's the only caveat with it, but it works excellent. The washing machine works excellent, and it's been awesome having both a washer and a dryer. So let's continue over here. This is the kitchen area. We have a full-size refrigerator freezer. Samsung works great. A dual basin sink, super hot water. Not a lot of dishes and stuff, but enough for 2 of us. Just two large plates, 2 small plates, a couple of smaller bowls. Excuse the mess. we have all of our food that's kind of out there. A little induction cooktop, 2 burners. Works great, heats up fast, and the pans that are here, pots and pans that are here, work well with that. Stainless steel. Got a nice microwave there, and a really nice working range hood with lighting in it and everything. There are 2 windows, upper and a lower, that open here in a balcony, and there's the 2 AC units, one for the bedroom, one for the bathroom. I'll take you on the balcony when we go to the bedroom. I'll show you the bedroom. That one is a sliding door and opens fully. So that's it. Simple little kitchen, but enough to make our nice, little quick meals or quick meal at night if we don't feel like eating out. So here's the bathroom. Again, great light. Nice walk-in shower with a rain shower head. So we have the rain shower head, and that's the regular movable hosed shower head that we can take off. But it works great, and like I said, piping hot water, so that has not been an issue. Toilet, and we have our sink right here. A nice size mirror. Back out into the living dining area. Small place, but it's been really, really nice. And we've actually been pretty pleased with how quiet it's been for Hanoi. This is a noisy city, but it has been really quiet, so that's been nice. King size bed, extremely comfortable. We're on a bit of a quieter alley type street. There is still traffic that comes up and down the street, but mostly scooters, very few cars. It's just been really nice. We're on the edge of the old quarter near the train station. It's been a great location, a great area. We have some closet space in here. Closets light up when you turn them on. So both these doors open. Large closet, not a ton of hangers, but drawers down below and place to hang your clothes there. And some little cubbies down below and a place to hang your clothes there. All of these little shelves here, they light up. And if you hold down on the lights dim and brighten. And that's the same situation with this light here. So that's kind of a nice feature. And if we turn around this way, drawers that pull out here, all the way across the bottom of this. So it's been plenty of storage for us. We do have a bedside table here. And it does have a little drawer as well. So that's pretty cool. The outlets here, fun fact, in Vietnam. So this outlet takes a Euro plug, and it also takes a US plug. So as long as most phone chargers are going to work with from 100 volt to 250 volt, but as long as that's the case, you can just plug in your US style plugs here or your European style plugs, which that's pretty awesome. And that we have a plug on each side. So lastly, let's come out here. We have a little balcony, which is pretty cool. Excuse the noise, you're gonna hear honking. But here we are. We have a little balcony. Not something that we actually use, but it's cool to step out here and see the street, sounds of the city. So as you can see, when I close that, the noise goes away. These are all double glazed, and the walls are concrete walls, and it keeps the place nice and quiet. And I also forgot to mention, there's an air conditioner in the bedroom too. So we've been really, really happy with this little place. It's been comfortable, it's been quiet, like I said. And since we were staying for a month, they've actually come in and they do weekly cleaning. So it's been really, really amazing to just be able to enjoy the city and not really have to worry about laundering those large things. We just wash our clothes, and it's been a joy to have this weekly cleaning. Has been an awesome thing, and that dryer is a rarity. So awesome little place. We'll leave the link below. Cool little place to stay if you're visiting Hanoi. We've loved it. I wanted to give you guys a map with the exact location of our Airbnb and a few highlighted landmarks so you can see the exact location. We absolutely loved it, and we really liked being near Train Street. That was a highlight for us. And we were probably about a 25-minute walk from the One Kiem Lake area. I mean, that's taking our time and ducking into a coffee shop if we wanted. So overall, we really liked the location. The total price we paid for this great little Airbnb in Hanoi, Vietnam was $1,011. Now, this was for 28 nights, and we stayed there in March of 2025. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel for more of our travel adventures, and slow travel with us. Bye!